morning, everybody. We're back with another video, and today I want to show you guys the lawn update. Today is going to be one of the hottest days in Los Angeles. Just want to give you guys an update of the lawn. That's not actually greener grass, it's just a shadow. I just want to show you certain sections of the lawn. Remember all the sections I put here? They're actually all filling in really good. That's sending some runners over there. Stay tuned for a video I'm putting out, testing 2 different styles of seeding. Look at that. Look at that. Really good success. This is filling in really good. Look at this. Too much height here, people. Too much height. Mushroom. Get out of here. So y'all remember when I did do the patches of grass from this section here? Some parts were thin, some parts were kind of dying off. Most of this all took. It is looking good. If I can remember how long it's been since I did this project here, I will post up on the screen. That section sending all kinds of runners. Other than that, this is the status of the lawn right now. Looking really good, you guys. Looking really good. Although I do need to get myself a real mower, because that push mower doesn't go as low as I want it to. Look at this. So just in case you guys are just tuning into my channel, this was a seeding I did from Arden 15 Bermuda grass from Hancock Seed, and this is after I believe the 3rd mowing. I've already got 3 mows out of it. It should have been a lot more, and it would have filled in a lot quicker while, you know, being consistent with the mowings. But construction had me delayed, and they still haven't taken out the tree. So I have to work with mowing within my stakes, because once I take the stakes off and they come, they're just going to bring all their machines. So this way, if I have my stakes up, they might give it a little bit of extra treatment, being like, oh, he's doing a little project, let's not go too crazy with it. Plus, with this whole virus thing going on, the stakes kind of keep all the dogs off the lawn, since the seed is still, you know, young and establishing, because they will have a pee fest on my lawn. And the sprinklers do have pressure. I just have them really low on the nozzle right now, because I want them to get a little bit more water into these sections, and then yeah, so I could talk to you guys for a bit. But yeah, this is gonna be a quick little video. This is the grass right now, a little leggy. Look at that. Ain't gonna lie, it's really long. Not too long, it's about 2 inches probably. I did cut it a few days ago, and it's been really hot. Like I said, it's been in high 90s. I mean, it hasn't been anything under 92. It's been 99, 97, 96. So this grass is growing really fast, especially with all the nitrogen that I had put down on it. So yeah, I mean, I would say maybe 1.5 inches, not that long, not 2 inches, that's way too long. But yeah, I would say like 1.5 inches, almost getting close to 2 inches, I would say. But I did cut it a few days ago, so I will be cutting it again probably today once the sun goes down. Alright everybody, that's just a quick update. And again, I'm gonna mention I have a little project going on these 2 sides, testing 2 different styles of seeding. Let's see what interesting results are going to be released. This is in California, Los Angeles, California. All right, everybody. Thank you for watching my video. Like always, keep mowing and growing, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace.